English Listening Lab.
Hi, I'm Emma from the English Listening Lab. Today we're going to learn English phrases for talking about promotions or raises at work. These are very useful in real job situations.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and I work in an office. I want to sound more confident when I talk to my manager.
That's a great goal, Daniel. And don't worry, today we'll keep everything simple and natural.
Perfect, because this topic feels a bit serious.
Yes, but the language can be simple. Let's start with the basics. First, two important words, promotion and raise.
I think a promotion means a better job.
Exactly. A promotion means you move to a higher position.
And a raise?
A raise means more salary, more money.
Okay, easy to understand.
Good. Now imagine you are at work and you want to talk about your future. You don't directly ask for a promotion in a strong way. You start politely.
How do I start?
You can say, "I'd like to talk about my role in the company."
That sounds polite.
Yes, or you can say, "I'm interested in growing in my position."
Let me try. I'm interested in growing in my position.
Perfect. Very natural. Now another useful phrase is, "I want to improve my skills."
That shows I want to learn more.
Exactly. It shows you are serious and motivated.
Okay, I like that.
Now imagine you are talking to your manager. You might say, "I've been working here for some time and I would like to discuss my progress."
That sounds professional, but not too difficult.
Yes, that's the idea. Now let's talk about performance. Many times managers ask about your work. You can also talk about it first.
Like what?
You can say, "I have completed my tasks on time."
Okay.
Or, "I have taken more responsibilities recently."
That sounds strong.
Yes, it shows growth. Now imagine you want to show confidence without sounding rude. You can say, "I feel I am ready for more responsibility."
That's a good sentence.
Yes, very useful. Now let's do a simple practice. I will say a situation and you respond.
Okay, I'm ready.
You want to talk about your job growth.
I'd like to talk about my role in the company.
Good. You want to show you are improving.
I feel I am ready for more responsibility.
Excellent. You want to sound motivated.
I'm interested in growing in my position.
Perfect. Now here's an important tip. Don't say, "Give me promotion" directly. That sounds too strong.
Oh, I see. So I need polite phrases.
Exactly. Always be polite and indirect. Now imagine a real workplace situation. You go to your manager and say,
Can I talk to you for a moment?
"Very good start."
Then I say, I've been working here for some time and I would like to discuss my progress.
Excellent.
I have completed my tasks on time and taken more responsibilities.
Perfect.
I'm interested in growing in my position.
That's very professional, Daniel.
Wow, that actually sounds like real workplace English.
Yes, and you can use it in real life. Now let's talk about another situation. Sometimes managers don't give an answer immediately. They might say, "Let's talk later."
What should I say then?
You can say, "Sure, I understand."
That's simple.
Or, "Thank you for your time."
That sounds polite.
Yes, always stay calm and respectful. Now here's another useful phrase. I would appreciate feedback.
That means I want advice.
Yes, you are asking how to improve.
Let me try. I would appreciate feedback.
Perfect. Now imagine your manager asks, "Why do you think you deserve a promotion?"
Oh, that's a difficult question.
Don't worry, you can answer simply. I have worked hard and taken more responsibilities.
That sounds good.
Yes, simple and clear is best. Now let's do one more mini role play. Hi, Daniel. How is your work going?
I've been working here for some time and I would like to discuss my progress.
Okay, tell me more.
I have completed my tasks on time and taken more responsibilities recently.
That's good.
I'm interested in growing in my position.
Very good, Daniel.
That felt real, like a real conversation at work.
Exactly, that's the goal. Now here's a final tip for this part. When you talk about promotions or raises, don't rush. Be calm, polite, and confident.
So no pressure, just clear English.
Yes, exactly. And if you're watching this, try practicing these sentences out loud. Even speaking to yourself helps a lot.
I think I'll try that at home.
Great idea. And now you already know how to start talking about your job growth in a simple and professional way.
I feel more confident already.
Good. And next, we'll learn how to ask for a raise in a polite and professional way. And next, we'll learn how to ask for a raise in a polite and professional way. This part can feel a little uncomfortable, but the right English phrases make it much easier.
Yes, this is the part I worry about. Asking for more salary feels difficult.
That's normal, Daniel. But remember, in English, we don't ask directly in a strong way. We use polite and calm phrases.
Okay, I want to learn the right way.
Great. Let's start simple. A good opening line is, I would like to discuss my salary.
That sounds polite already.
Yes, or even softer, can we talk about my compensation?
Compensation means salary, right?
Exactly. It sounds a bit more formal.
Let me try. Can we talk about my compensation?
Perfect. Now, before asking for a raise, it's important to talk about your work first. You can say, I have been working hard on my tasks.
That shows effort.
Yes, or I have taken on more responsibilities recently.
Okay, I see the pattern.
Good. Now, another useful phrase is, I feel my work has improved.
That sounds confident but not rude.
Exactly. Now, imagine you are talking to your manager. You can slowly build the conversation.
Like step by step?
Yes, for example, I would like to discuss my salary. I have been working hard on my tasks. I feel my work has improved.
That sounds like a complete message.
Yes, very professional. Now let's add a polite request. You can say, is there any possibility of a salary increase?
That's a soft question.
Exactly. You are not demanding, you are asking.
Let me try. Is there any possibility of a salary increase?
Very good. Now, sometimes managers ask, why do you think you deserve a raise?
Oh, what should I say?
You can answer simply, I have taken more responsibilities and completed my work on time.
That sounds fair.
Yes, always keep it based on your work. Now let's practice a real conversation. Hi, Daniel. How can I help you?
Can we talk about my compensation?
Sure. Tell me.
I have been working hard on my tasks and taken more responsibilities recently.
Okay.
I feel my work has improved and I would like to discuss my salary.
That's a good point.
Is there any possibility of a salary increase?
Very professional, Daniel.
That felt very real, but also scary.
Yes, but notice something important. You stayed calm and polite the whole time.
That makes a big difference.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about responses. Sometimes your manager may say, let's wait a few months.
What should I say then?
You can say, "Okay, I understand. Thank you for your time."
That sounds respectful.
Yes, always stay professional even if the answer is not what you want. Now, another possible response is, "We will review your performance."
That sounds neutral.
Yes, so you can say, "Thank you, I appreciate that."
Easy.
Now, let's talk about a very important skill, talking about your achievements.
Like what I have done at work?
Yes, for example, "I completed the project before the deadline."
That sounds strong.
Or, "I helped improve team efficiency."
Oh, that sounds very professional.
Exactly. These sentences help your case. Now, let's do another quick practice. Why do you think you deserve a raise?
I have been working hard on my tasks and taken more responsibilities.
Good.
I completed my work on time and improved my performance.
Excellent.
I feel my work has improved and I would like to discuss my salary.
Very good, Daniel.
I'm starting to feel more confident now.
That's the goal. Confidence comes from practice. Now, here's a final tip for this part. Never compare yourself with others in a negative way. Focus on your own work.
So I should not say others are getting more salary.
Correct. That can sound unprofessional. Always focus on your value.
Got it.
And remember, even if you feel nervous, just speak slowly. Simple English is enough.
I think I can try this in real life now.
Good. And next, we'll learn how to respond if you get a promotion or if it doesn't happen yet. And next, we'll learn how to respond if you get a promotion or if it doesn't happen yet. This is very important because in real life, not everything goes the way we expect.
Yes, I think this part is really important. I want to know how to react professionally.
Exactly. Let's start with the best situation first, when you get a promotion.
That sounds nice.
Yes, imagine your manager says, "We are happy to promote you."
Wow, what should I say?
Keep it simple and grateful. You can say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate this opportunity."
That sounds very polite.
Yes, or you can also say, "I'm very happy to hear that. Thank you."
Let me try. I'm very happy to hear that.
Perfect. Now, sometimes your manager might say, "You have done a great job."
And I should reply,
You can say, "Thank you. I'm glad my work is helping the team."
that sounds professional.
Exactly. It shows teamwork, not just personal success. Now, let's imagine another situation. You get the promotion, but you feel a bit nervous about new responsibilities.
Oh yes, that can happen.
You can say, "I will do my best in this new role."
That's a strong sentence.
Yes, or "I'm excited to take on this new challenge."
Let me try. I'm excited to take on this new challenge.
Excellent. Now, let's move to the second situation, not getting a promotion yet.
This one feels harder.
Yes, but it's very important to stay calm and professional. Imagine your manager says, "We are not able to promote you at this time."
What should I say?
You should not react emotionally. You can say, "Okay, I understand. Thank you for your feedback."
That sounds respectful.
Yes, or even better, "I appreciate your honesty. Can you guide me on how to improve?"
Oh, that's a smart question.
Exactly. You are showing maturity.
Let me try. I appreciate your honesty. Can you guide me on how to improve?
Very good. Now your manager might give feedback like, "You need more experience."
Then I can ask for advice?
Yes, you can say, "What skills should I focus on?"
That's useful.
Or, "How can I improve my performance?"
Let me try. How can I improve my performance?
Perfect. Now let's practice a full conversation. Hi, Daniel. We reviewed your performance.
Okay,
We are not able to promote you at this time.
I understand. Thank you for your feedback.
You are doing well, but you need more experience.
I appreciate your honesty. Can you guide me on how to improve?
You should focus more on project management skills.
Okay, how can I improve my performance in that area?
Very good conversation, Daniel.
That was difficult, but I think I handled it well.
Yes, and that's the key. Staying calm and respectful makes a big difference. Now let's talk about your future plans after this kind of meeting.
Like what I should do next?
Yes, you can say, I will work on improving my skills.
That shows commitment.
Exactly. Or, I will focus on the feedback you gave me.
Let me try. I will focus on the feedback you gave me.
Excellent. Now, here's a very important mindset tip. A no is not the end. It is just a step.
So I should not feel bad?
Yes, you should see it as guidance. Every professional grows step by step.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now let's do a final role play, combining everything. Daniel, we are happy to promote you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this opportunity.
We have done great work.
I'm very happy to hear that. Thank you.
We believe you are ready for this new role.
I will do my best in this new role.
Excellent.
That felt very real and positive.
Yes, and you handled both situations, success and feedback, very well. Now, if you're watching this, remember, in real workplace English, being polite, calm and clear is more important than perfect grammar.
I think I feel more confident now in talking to my manager.
That's great, and now you know how to handle promotions, raises, and even rejections in a professional way.
Thank you, Emma. This was really helpful.
You're welcome, Daniel, and thank you, everyone, for learning with us at English Listening Lab. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll feel more confident at work every day.
See you next time.
Bye!